In this video, I'll explain how to create a subscribe to unlock link to help grow your YouTube channel faster. Check my video description for this site link. Select the option you want viewers to do. I'm going to select the subscribe. Enter YouTube URL for subscribe. To do this, open up new tab and search youtube.com. Log into your YouTube account. Once you're done, select the profile icon and select YouTube Studio. To customization, scroll down, copy the YouTube URL using this icon. Once you're done, go back to the site, paste the YouTube channel URL in enter YouTube URL for subscriber. In file URL link, you need to copy the fix file. Just copy the fix file link and paste it in file URL link. Once you're done, you can make it as dark template and select generate link. A link has been generated. Copy, paste it in Notepad. Once you're done, you can give this link on a YouTube video. Once you're done, to test this link is working or not, copy and paste and press enter. Subscribe on YouTube. Select subscribe. Once you subscribed, this link will be unlock link. The file link has been opened, as you can see. This is how you can earn subscriber faster on YouTube. Now I'm gonna save this. If someone hits this link, they must subscribe to unlock this mod link. I hope this video helped you. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Thank you.